Let's see how to restore deleted notes in iPhone. I'll show you two different ways to restore deleted notes. The first option is using the Notes app. So go to your Notes app and select your note folder. So in my case, I'm selecting on my iPhone notes. And from here, if I delete a note, all you have to need just tap on recently deleted, and here you will find all of your recently deleted notes, and we can see notes are available here for 30 days. After that time, notes will be permanently deleted. This may take up to 40 days. So all you have to need, tap on edit and select one or multiple notes you want to restore or recover. Then just tap on move and select a folder in which folder you want to move your notes restore, and we can see all of my selected notes have been successfully restored. Now let's see the second method. In second method, we will restore notes from directly iCloud. So go to your browser. In browser, search for iCloud.com. Tap on sign in, and all you have to need, go ahead and log into your iCloud account using your Apple ID. Once you signed in, scroll down and here you will find notes. You can tap on notes or you can tap on notes app here, and you directly jump into your iCloud all notes page. From here you can just go ahead and open any note app, and here you can just go ahead and edit the specific note, and that's how you can actually restore or backup deleted notes on iPhone. Thanks for watching.